We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 29. The manager of a coffee shop recorded the number of customers who put vanilla creamer or chocolate creamer in their coffee during 1 hour and classified them by age. The results are shown in the table. What percentage of these customers put chocolate creamer in their coffee during this hour? The total number of customers who put coffee creamer for all flavors is 20, which is 6 of vanilla and 14 of chocolate. Want to find percentage of the customers who put chocolate creamer in their coffee? We add 6 and 8 together to get 14 customers. Hence, 14 over 20 equals 0.70, which is 70%. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Question number 30. An engineer created a scale drawing of a building using a scale in which 0.25 inch represents 2 feet. The length of the actual building is 250 feet. What is the length in inches of the building in the scale drawing? Scale 0.25 inch represents 2 feet, so if the building is 250 feet, what is the length of the building in the scale drawing? 250 multiplied by 0.25 divided by 2 equals 31.25 inches ADN. That's the answer. Question number 31. The box plots summarize the number of semester hours students enrolled in a university and a community college completed during the fall semester. Which statement is best supported by the data in the box plots?
Option A. The median of the data for the university is greater than the median of the data for the community college. The median is the middle number in a set of numbers when the set is ordered by value, which is 12 for university and also 12 for community college. So A is not the correct answer because they are equal. Option B. The range of the data for the university is greater than the range of the data for the community college. We can see the range of community college is greater than university, hence eliminate B. Option C. The interquartile range of the data for the community college is greater than the interquartile range of the data for the university. The interquartile range is the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. The interquartile range of university equals 15 subtract 9 equals 6. The interquartile range of community college equals 15 subtract 6 equals 9. 9 is greater than 6. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Question number 32. Alice has a loan of $24,120. This loan has a simple interest rate of 3.5% per year. No payments will be made on the loan until the end of 1 year. How much interest will Alice pay on this loan at the end of 1 year? The formula for simple interest is I equals PRT, where I is the amount of interest, P is the principal amount, initial amount of the loan, R is the interest rate expressed as a decimal, and T is the time in years.
3.5% equals 0035. I equals 0.035 times 24,020 times 1 equals 868.70. Therefore, F is the correct answer.